everybody. Welcome to Diamond Painting with Cat and Dogs. Helen here. I have the new ArtDot diamond painting trays with the lids. They're the 2-in-1 divided area multi-layer ArtDot 15-piece. I got these on Amazon for $20. It comes with ArtDot's DMC stickers starting at $150, and there is only one set in here. And then it comes with the static heater. Never used that before, so I'll let you know how that works. And then it comes with all these trays. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 small ones. So let's just pull one out here. Let's see which side is my open side here. Maybe. There we go. So this comes off here. As you see, it's got the long ones, nothing, and then some small ones here. Nice lid. Shake it. I can't wait to use these. I've seen these and I thought I would like to try them. And then the small ones here. Let's see. Lift up. Yeah, okay. So it says ArtDot on it. They're clear. This one's got some. And then the tray here has lines for like 3 or 4 drills, and then your larger ones, and then your empty space here. Okay, so it actually kind of locks. You kind of have to lift up and pull out because it does lock. So if you push down here and push, it does open very nicely. And these are supposed to be stackable. Very nice, very nice. Stacks great. And let's see, then you can put the small ones. Of course, they're not going to stack, but they all stack together, which is nice. These are another one that I would love. I'm going to try them and give you guys a review on them. I've seen a couple people have them. These ones was purchased on Amazon though. They was having a nice sale. Okay, and these stickers are one. Okay, so the stickers are all the way to 377. 3. Oh, it even goes further down. Okay, they got them all different here. So you got 1 through 35. You have your DMC all the way up to 3866, and then you have some blank stickers here, and you also have a whole sheet of blank stickers here. So that's nice. So you got 5 sheets here of stickers with DMC codes. You also have 1 through 34 if you do 1 through whatever. And then, of course, these are really nice. Nice size, too. You can see them without my glasses. You only get, like I said, 1 set. Okay. Put this back in its bag. It's nicely boxed. I like how it's boxed. It's nice. It's really nice. It's all nicely contained in there. So I can't wait to try those. I will give you guys a review and let you know if I can get everything back in the box. Nice and neat. But it doesn't look like it wants to do that, does it? Okay. There we go. Somewhat back in the box. But somewhat. But it's a really nice box. On the back of the box, it tells you directions on how to use it. There's 10 small trays, 5 large trays, 1 static heater, one color label sheet, but it does tell you how to use the trays, attach the labels to the visible trays, shows you everything you need to know. So hopefully you liked this video. I know it's short and all, but I just wanted to show you these trays I got from Amazon from ArtDot. Thank you.